Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove time and date from taskbar in Windows 11. You can remove this one time and date from Windows 11 PC using built-in settings app. That means there is no need of a third-party tool to remove date and time from the Windows 11 taskbar. For that, first press Windows plus I key on the keyboard. This will open settings app on your PC. Then here select this one time and language option. Then click on this one date and time option. Here you will find a toggle switch name show time and date in the system tray. Just turn off this one toggle and you will notice date and time, or you can say clock option, has been removed immediately from the Windows 11 taskbar. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.